Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll create an earthy, nature-inspired piece of art that's simple yet beautiful. Here's what you'll need: a canvas, or like me, you can use pressed cardboard as a budget-friendly alternative. Black, white, beige, light pink and rustic red paint, sponge roller or any roller you have on hand, baking paper, a dried or fresh plant to create plant imprints, a spray water bottle, and a painter's knife. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by lightly spraying water all around your canvas. Next, soak your roller into water and then dip it into the beige paint. Roll this paint evenly across the canvas. If it foams too much, it could mean there's too much water on the sponge, but don't worry, it adds texture and I don't mind it. Once the first layer is done, move on to the next color without waiting for it to dry. I'm using a soft light pink for the second layer. This time I'm not covering the entire canvas, just rolling it in stripes, letting the roller's natural pattern unfold. Now, for a bit of depth, I'm adding a darker shade, a rustic red. I'm rolling a few straight lines here and there again, without waiting for the layers to dry. This helps the colors blend beautifully, giving a more natural and cohesive look. Next, I return to the lighter beige shade from before, adding a few more lines for variation. After that, I move on to a darker beige color, again applying it with roller while the previous paint is still wet. For even more contrast, I'm adding a touch of white paint. Once this layer is complete, I let everything dry, because I want to add bold gold lines next. These gold accents should stand out, so it's important the background is fully dry. After gold is applied, I will let it dry as well. Good. It's time for the paint imprints. Take your plant and place it on the baking paper or any non-absorbent paper. Paint the plant black using your roller. I'm using a regular wall paint roller for this. It's simple and works well. Cover the plant thoroughly with paint. Fresh plants might work better because they won't absorb the paint as much as dried ones. Once the plant is ready, press it firmly onto one side of the painting. When you lift the plant, you might notice the imprints need a bit more depth. In that case, feel free to add more paint to enhance the detail. This step depends on the plant you're using, so adjust as needed. Finally, let's balance the composition and add more abstract details. Using a painter's knife, create organic disjoint lines. Gently apply paint to the edges of the knife and make a few lines on the opposite side of the canvas, from where the plant imprint is. Let your intuition guide you, just play around. But avoid overcrowding the painting with your blacks. A few well-placed lines will create harmony. And that's it, guys. Another painting is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.